Hey, once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Pixel 7a. Inside the package, you'll find your Pixel 7a, an adapter for data transfer, and a charging cable. The design looks very similar to the Pixel 7, except it comes in a few different colors. It features the same visor-style design, dual camera layout with flash, volume rocker and power buttons, and a micro SIM and USB-C port. As for everything you need to know about the 7a, it's one of the latest devices from Google. It comes with Google's flagship Handson G2 chip and Titan M2 for security. It has a 6.1-inch 1080p 90Hz display, though you would have to switch that from the default 60Hz out of the box. The Pixel 7a is Google's first Series A device with wireless charging. Google is promising 24 hours of battery life with this device. This device shares the same DNA and party tricks with its predecessors. You'd get to enjoy Google's Android OS in its full glory, built-in photo editing tools like Magic Eraser, Photo on Blur, and its cool voice recorder that comes with transcripts. Hey, today I'm shooting a video for the Pixel 7a. When I'm done, I'll be editing it on my computer before I leave the office. And after that, I'll be headed home, and I hope I beat the traffic before it's 7 p.m. The camera on the Pixel 7a got a 72% sensor upgrade when compared to the older series. The Pixel 7a has a 64 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide, and 13 megapixel front sensor. It's worth noting that all three cameras are now capable of shooting 4K videos. That's it for our hands-on with the Pixel 7a. Once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. Stick around for more videos.